Come with me as I spend on a very tight budget on Christmas Eve in Nigeria. By tight budget, I mean less than $20. Yes, less than $20 to enjoy myself fully on Christmas. So this year I decided to spend on a tight budget because usually in January, a lot of times nobody's coming to save you. You understand what I mean? Unless a miracle happens. And yes, I believe in miracles, but sometimes you have to be very careful to avoid feeling very sorry for yourself in January. I'll tell you how I was able to achieve my goal of spending less than $20 and fully buying the things that I wanted to buy. Like I bought goat meat, I bought chicken, I bought some leaves, I bought some things for soup and some things for stew as well with less than $20 in the market. One thing about Nigerians is that Nigerians like to go all out and celebrate Christmas and enjoy Christmas very well. But this year I just needed to be careful, and they do that because they see Christmas as a time to reflect and give thanks to God, like for taking them through the year. If you're not careful during Christmas as a Nigerian, you will end up spending a whole lot, way more than your budget, because there's a lot to buy. You can see how crowded this market was. A lot of persons were out there trying to buy things for Christmas. So guys, please, if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate it to help me grow my channel. So I bought some crayfish, I bought some of this fish. I know you must have seen this fish in my videos. The crayfish and this fish were about $3 because this fish, I bought 2 sets of it around maybe $2, and the crayfish was around $1. And the onions were the most expensive things I bought in this market, because onions are very expensive this period in Nigeria. So it was the most expensive thing I bought in the market this day. Then I bought some basil leaf, another food I was going to make. Then I got me some pepper, 2 different types of pepper to add some spices, hot spice to my food. So that was chili pepper and the normal scotch bonnet pepper. So I got these leaves. I got about 3 sets of that for I think I got 3 or 4 of it for $1.50. Then I got some spices just to add to the taste. You know, you need some taste to your food. Then I got some tomato paste and some other things to make my meal taste nice. I thought I was going to make some stew, right? So, and I was going to make rice. I already had rice in the house. Then I also thought I was going to make soup. So this was for egusi soup. This is white seed melon that I bought to make some egusi soup. And here I was blending it. You might want to ask, who doesn't have a blender in 2024? Of course I don't have a blender. So I was waiting for them to finish blending my egusi so I can put my egusi in my bag and move forward to buy other things. So I told you I wanted to buy goat meat, and yes, how did I buy goat meat? Goat meat was sold between $70 to $100 for one full goat meat. I couldn't afford to buy full goat meat, of course, so I had to sit here and wait for 2 hours for the guy who was going to cut the goat meat into smaller kilos for us to buy. So I think I bought around a kilo for about $5 in the market, and that was helpful for me because I bought some chicken as well, and I bought some fish with less than $20 in the market. So I would say I was very calculative, I was very careful. I was like, I'm not going to exceed this budget, but I am going to eat what I want to eat tomorrow being Christmas Day. So guys, please comment on my video if you would like to see the outcome of the things I bought with less than $20 in the market, like the outcome of the food I have made, and let me know how your preparations have been for Christmas and how you're celebrating your Christmas. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much, and bye.